Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a cute cloud. So let's get started. First, draw a curve here at the top. And continue at here, a curve again downwards. The other side too. Just following with me here. The same here too. Now we will draw the eyes. Two round big circles. Inside with a small circle and smaller circle. Draw the details inside the eye. Train lines here. Now we will draw the mouth here. With its tongue. Now we have a cute cloud. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.